The reason we wanted to basically live stream this event is because it's the first match since KSI announced that he's part of Daggers and he bought some stakes. This will be a perfect opportunity for us to live stream, and that's what we do.
Live stream, by the way. Wow, this is wild. This doesn't feel real yet.
Nowadays, it's pretty unquestioned the value that content creation can bring to a sports team, league, or organization. We have every anticipation and hope that it's going to bring new attention and eyeballs and audience to this club.
Good luck, boys! Good luck, boys!
We don't have the live stream IRL audience yet, and we want to improve that, we want to increase that. So you're basically mixing the fan base from Daggers FC and also KSI fan base.
Let's go!
This club seemingly has a little bit of a special energy, its ability to attract people and attention.
Whips it in! What ball?
We just want to keep kind of harnessing that and then directing that energy in the right way.
Oh, the stream is looking sick, bro. Love this angle. This angle is cool.
We have TVU coming over, helping us set up everything over here.
We had to bring connectivity to a 6th league stadium. We had to think about how to bring the connectivity to this place and also how to interoperate with people sitting in the US, operate the entire production.
It's you! It's fun to play it!
We got multiple packs, we got crew, backups, everything, and people are doing switching. They're not even here. They're doing it in US.
Today we're at our IRL studio here in Los Angeles, mixing for KSI. For this event, KSI wanted a little bit of extra help, from a remote location, and we're able to do that with very low latency, full communication with all of the operators over 5,000 miles away.
This actually gives us a bigger kind of scope to travel more, do live stream from different countries. This is a new world, man.
1 more minute left.
During today's stream, they're going to have 3 cameras. They're all on separate TVU units that are coming into our transceiver in our studio room. And then we bring those into a deck link where we mix it with OBS Studio. You don't have to worry about syncing everything. As long as it's coming in with SCI, it's going to be time coded and synced on the decode side. And that makes throwing an event like this very seamless. And you can be kind of confident that no matter what, you can rely on your feeds to come in at the same time.
This is the last chance and then it's done. Take your time, boys.
Going live is full of stress, especially when thousands and thousands of people watching you. The stakes are high, anything can go wrong. Today, I'm not stressed at all, I'm very confident, so having that confidence is a massive key.
Against the league leaders, bro. 1-0 to the Daggers.